Hi, I'm Beth with the University of Florida, Escambia County Extension, and in my backyard we started a salad bowl garden about a month ago where we started some seeds indoors, and then when the transplants were ready we planted them in this large container. And they've done really well now at the 1st of October as our temperatures have cooled down and nights are cool. These cool season plants of lettuces and radish and arugula and this beautiful Benihouzi mizuna is really taking off. It's really time to harvest these plants and start using some of them in the kitchen. So what we're going to do, I have a bronze beauty lettuce here, I have a speckled lettuce and a beautiful red merlot. So I'm going to take some of the old foliage here and just cut those off and collect them of my different plants. And of my arugula, because it was so cloudy with our stormy weather, it got a little leggy, but I can still cut some of those pieces off of even the small leaves and use that as a peppery flavoring for my salad. So once I collect a few of these, I'm going to set them on my plate, take them inside and wash them, and we're going to add them to a delicious salad with a nice kind of lemony vinaigrette we're going to make and enjoy those fresh from the garden. So for more information on how to grow your own cool season vegetables, contact us at Escambia County Extension, University of Florida.